With the Xerox Adaptive CMYK Kit and select Fiery servers, you can create custom spot colors that include vivid kit toners. Note that Fiery Spot Pro is required for this feature. Fiery Spot Pro is available as part of either the Fiery Graphic Arts Pro package or the Fiery Colorite package. Here's how it works. I have a file that includes a named spot color, Pantone 032C Metallic. My end goal is to create a metallic version of this color that has a gold tint. In Fiery Spot Pro, I first create a new spot color group. I'll name it Metallic. Then I'll toggle on the switch to make Vivid Kit specialty colors available for use. Next, I'll select the output profile of the media I plan to print on. The edits made here will only apply to that specific output profile. I'll search for Pantone 032C on the Fiery server. I'll choose the one in the Pantone-coded V4 library. Then I'll copy the color and paste it into my metallic group. Now this version of Pantone 032C can be edited. I'll change the name to match the named spot color in my design file. Then I'll change the amount of gold to 20%. You see the preview change to show the gold has been mixed in. Back in the main Fiery Command Workstation view, I'll go into Job Properties and select the output profile that my custom spot color was created for. And then I'll enable the Vivid Kit under Specialty Colorant. Now I process and hold my job and then open Image Viewer. Here I can see a raster preview of my file. I'll uncheck all but the gold separation to make sure it's applied. Then I'll recheck the CMYK separations. And finally, I'll mouse over on my swatch so you can see that 20% gold has been applied uniformly. I can double-check that the spot color is set up correctly by going to Edit Spot Colors. You see 20% gold is showing here.